Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to follow any company on Indeed. So guys, if you want to follow any specific company or on Indeed, so then you have to go with the company reviews. Just look at the top of the screen. Here you will see company reviews. See, there are so many companies. Like if I go with this company, McDonald's, which is very famous company in all over world, click on it. And or if you want to do something different, if you know any if you know any company apart these suggestions, and then you can write here the company name, and then you can go with the profile. So for now I will go with this suggestion, which is McDonald's. So now I want to follow this company, and here in this company's profile you can see the follow button. Simply you have to follow this company. As you can see, by this follow button you will be able to see weekly updates, new jobs and reviews about this company. So this is the benefit for allowing any company. You can get all updates of that company. So guys, this is how to follow any company on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.